Are there portable air conditioners without exhaust hose? Unfortunately, there is no way to run a portable air conditioner without an exhaust hose. You can buy a ventless air cooler to make a room more comfortable, but these units are not truly air conditioners. Is there a portable air conditioner that doesn't have to be vented outside? Evaporative air coolers offer a ventless portable air conditioner option. These portable AC units don't have a hose and deliver cool air in your home by evaporating water. These add moisture and humidity to the air. They are efficient in dry climates but less effective in humid areas. Do portable air conditioners need to be drained? In most cases, your portable air conditioner will not need to be drained. EdgeStar, Avalon and Coldfront portable air conditioners use a condensation exhaust system to expel water vapor collected during the dehumidifying cooling process. This moisture is released through the exhaust hose along with hot exhaust air. What happens if you don't drain your portable air conditioner? Failing to drain the unit, portable air conditioners create condensate from the cooling process. This is due to the fact that they are constantly removing moisture from the air when in use. Some units are able to evaporate the moisture on their own, or at least most of it. Don't forget to subscribe for more of these videos.